వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యూటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2021 పేపర్ 1లోని మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఆన్సర్ కీని విత్ సొల్యూషన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ activities is most likely to develop spatial reasoning among the students? Right answer is option 1. Identify tessellating figures. Next question, which of the following is most suitable for teaching children the concept of fractions? Option 1. Right answer is option 1. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct with regarding to nature of mathematics? Option 3. Next question, identify the correct statement. Option 1. The shape of figure determines the perimeter. Next question, in which of the following statement number 3 is used in ordinal sense? Right answer is option 2. I have on 3rd floor of this building. Identify the correct statement with regard to introducing concept of triangular at primary level. Option 1. Children should be exposed to triangle of all types and also to other figures. Next question, identify the correct statement with respect to mathematics curriculum. Option 4. The concept of negative numbers should be introduced at primary level for better understanding. Next question, the sum of 5 consecutive numbers is 20. What is the sum of first 3 consecutive numbers? 5 consecutive numbers are x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 equal to 5 consecutive numbers is 20. 20. 5x is equal to 20 minus 10. X is equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. X is equal to 2. What is the sum of first 3 consecutive numbers? 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9. Right answer is option 3. In a division sum, the divisor is 5 times of quotient, twice the remainder. If the remainder is 5, what is the number? Divisor, quotient, remainder. Remainder is 5. The division sum, the divisor is 5 times of quotient and twice the remainder. Twice the remainder is, so 2 into 5, 10. Quotient is 2. So number equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 10 into quotient is 2 plus remainder is 5. 25. Right answer is option 4. Next question, among the following fractions, the largest and second largest fraction respectively? 5 by 6 is 0.8. 3 by 4 is 0.7. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 2 by 3 is 0.66. 3 by 5, 0.6. The largest and second largest fraction, first largest 0.8, second largest 0.7. Right answer is option 2, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. Wire in the form of square encloses an area of 144 centimeter square. How much area is enclosed if the same wire is bent in the form of rectangle of length is 16 centimeter? Square area is 144. So a square is equal to 144. Side is a equal to 12. 12 and 12. Next, in rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of the square is 48. The rectangle length is 16. Breadth తెలియదు. So 2 1 2, 2 24. Length is 16 plus B equal to 24. B equal to 24 minus 16. B equal to 8. Area of the rectangle is L into B. 8 into 16. Right, 128. Right answer is option for 128 centimeter square. Next question. In how many ways 48 small squares of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter can be arranged to so that resulting area is 48 centimeter square? 148 is 48, 224, 316, 412, 68. Total 5. Right answer is option 4. Next question. In a school assembly, students of a class are standing in a line. Ruhi is 9th from both sides. Both ends. How many students are present in class? 19th, 18, 8. 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 1 equal to 37. Right answer is option 3. Next question. Asmita reaches school for a meeting 15 minutes before 8:30 a.m. She reached half an hour earlier than her colleague who is 40 minutes late for meeting. What is the scheduled time of meeting? 8:30 a.m. 15 minutes before. 5, 3 plus 1, 4. Scheduled time of the meeting is 8:45. Right answer is option 4. The rates of various stationery items are given below. Sohail buys 1 packet of crayons, 2 packets of pencils, 1 packet of sketch pens, 1 scissor, 5 sheets of glazed papers, 1 pack of decorative stickers. How much would be he required to pay? 1 packet of crayons, next 2 packets of pencils, next sketch pen, 1 packet of sketch pen, next 5 sheets of glazed papers. 1 sheet is 2.5, so 5 sheets 12.50. Next, a pack of decorative papers. 05001. Right answer is option 4. Next question. A number is larger than half of 100. It's more than 6 tens, less than 8 tens. The sum of its digit is 9. The tens digit is double of 1's digit. What is the number? Right answer is option 3. The sum of digit is 9. The tens digit is double of 1's digit. Right answer is option 3. Question number 47. In 5-digit number, the digit at the hundreds place is 3/4 of the digit of tens place, and the digit is tens place is 2/3 of the digit of hundreds place. The digit at tens place is square of the smallest prime number, and the digit at thousand place is largest single digit prime number. If the digit at unit place is largest single digit odd number, then the number is. Right answer is option 2. 87,649. Next question. A train starts from Patna 30th May 2028, 23:40 hours, 23:40 minute 40 hours and reaches Mumbai 1st June 2020, 5:15 hours. What is the total travel time of the train? 20 minutes to 24 hours and reaches Mumbai on 1st June 2020, 5:15. 5:15. 5, 3, 29. Right answer is option 3, 29 hours 35 minutes. A bucket of 16-liter capacity is filled to brim with water. Water from this bucket is transferred into smallest utensils. A mug filled to capacity has to dip 50 times. Completely transfer the water in the bucket into the utensils. What is the capacity of mug? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 16 liter is equal to 16 into 1000. 16,000. Capacity has to be dipped 50 times. 320. Right answer is option 1, 320 ml. Next question. What should be subtracted from the sum of 8008, 8088, 8808, 0, 9, 24, 24904 minus 17863. 14070. Right answer is option 4. Next question number 51. The following table shows marks obtained out of 100 by Maria and Shehanger in 5 subjects. Right answer is option 1. Total marks is 390. The aggregated marks of Maria and Shehanger are equal. A taximeter shows charges of rupees 50 for first 2 kilometers of journey and 16 for every subsequent kilometer travel. Manju pays 258 as for travel from her house to the railway station. How far is the railway station from her home? First 2 kilometers 50 rupees. Next for every 1 kilometer 16 rupees. Total paid 258. 258 minus 50 equal to 208. 16 rupees for 1 kilometer. 208 rupees for that. 208 by 16. 4 4 is 16. 4 5 is and 4 2 is 4 1 is 4. 4 13. Right answer is option 3, 13 kilometers. Next question. Following are some questions posed by the teacher in the mathematics classroom. Option A. What is the area of rectangular whose one side is 5 centimeters and perimeter is 30 centimeters? B. Find a set of numbers whose median is 4. C. List of all prime numbers between 0 to 8. D. Tell me anything mathematical information you know about rectangle. Right answer is option 1. A and C are closed-ended, B and D are open-ended questions. Question number 54. Which of the following is desirable teaching learning practice in the context of mathematics? Option 3. Right answer. Intuitive understanding of concepts should be encouraged. Next question. Rohit realizes that square is both rhombus and rectangle. He is on what stage of Van Hill's visual thinking? Right answer is option 4. Level 2 relationships. Next question. Which of the following least likely to impact teaching learning in mathematics? Option 1. Providing complete solution to students' wrong answers. Next question. Which of the following statement is regarding to mathematics teaching learning is incorrect? Right answer is option 3. Culture and context has no role in constructing mathematics knowledge. The sum of any two whole numbers is whole number. This property whose number is referred to as. Option 2, closure property. Next question, which of the following is most important aspect of teaching of mathematics in primary level? Right answer option 2, making mathematics part of children's life experiences. Which of the following statements are true regarding to teaching numbers at primary level? Right answer is option 4, A and D. Intuitive understanding of numbers should be encouraged. Order irrelevance of numbers should be encouraged.